Hi, welcome here. My name is Tony. You know the story, I know. My name is Tony and I have been sharing about spiritual awakening for a few years now. I have somehow dedicated my life to this simple truth. I somehow help seekers to find their way home, I would say. So, I would like to speak about something very profound yet simple as usual, because the truth is very simple. The mind complicates things as usual, but what you GPR is very simple, and this cannot understand it, right? So that's why you have somehow to leave your mind alone if you want to feel or experience what I am going to say right now. So I have a question first. First and foremost, I have a question. What is the difference between an awakened being and a seeker or you? Is there truly a difference? Is there truly a difference between here and there? Tell me in the comments. I think it could be very interesting to see. So, of course, the answer is no, there is no difference on a deeper level. But on the relative level, there is a tiny difference. And this tiny one is about beliefs. You believe that you are your thoughts. You have somehow personalized your being. You have personalized your emotions. You have personalized this body, this physical body. And this creates a you, a me that we call the ego, this sense of identity. So you believe that there is a me here and the world there, and we have this feeling of separation, which is a total illusion. So of course, if you want to realize this truth, you have to put down the mind, your mind on the table. So is there truly a difference between what is here, what lies here, what is living here, and what is living there? So, as I have just mentioned, it's about beliefs and also your attention that's constantly focuses on your mind, you see? So it's like the thoughts, you have personalized your thoughts, they arise within you, okay, right? And this is a kind of automatic movement. So there is your attention that directs itself towards your mind. And within yourself, it's like you don't feel this peace that I have been sharing, because there is always this constant movement, this movement of the attention focusing on the mind, you see. And my invitation, as I always share, is to relax this movement. And when you relax this movement of attention, it returns to its origin, to you, to what we are. So, in I would say, a deeper level, we are exactly the same. We are exactly the same. There is only one consciousness that manifests itself into various and diverse forms as me and you. And when you somehow awaken to this truth, it's simply that you somehow break this movement of attention that directs itself towards anything, towards sensation, emotions, feelings, and of course, the mind. So again, my invitation is to relax this movement. And when you relax this movement, when you relax the attention to the whole periphery of experience, to this openness of being, like this, you see, there is a visual field. I repeat my question. Is there truly a difference between you and me? Because when you live from your natural state, because your natural state is this, relaxed attention. So my invitation is to return to your natural state, which is relaxed attention, or we could say consciousness. This is what we just practiced 1 hour ago during an awakening session. So if you are interested, you can go to my website, tonyningam.com, and you can book 1 session. So go gently. Huh? No need to rush, no pressure. So my invitation is to return to this state, which is your natural state, our natural state. So simply relax your attention and remain as this. So do not direct your attention towards anything and remain as this. And is there truly a difference between what is here and what is there? I don't think so. Again, do not personalize this. Is there truly a someone there? You can observe what the mind wants to answer. Because again, the non-answer is the answer. You have somehow to descend from the mind to the heart. Who are you right now? When you are in your natural state. Who are you right now? Any answer are totally okay. You can somehow trace back the thread of answer and observe where it leads you, we could say. I am my mind, I am my thoughts, I am my feelings, my negative and inner ambience. I am the story that I carry within my... No. All of this is only a narrative with a superimposed image. But this is not you, because this comes and goes. But what is permanent in the direct experience? What is permanent here? Something doesn't move, something is still right now. This is you. But don't add a label of like, I am now consciousness. No, this is not you. This is another kind of ego, we could say, that tunes into, I am not the observer of everything. No. Even this you can observe, you see. Remain into the unknown of experience. Because here you are. So I know you put somehow the awaken being into a pedestal. There, we are here and you are here. But in truth, we are exactly the same. Thoughts still arise, emotions still arise. That's totally okay. I am not them. They somehow emerge into what I am, this open space. And that's totally okay. Is that really something to add to now, to the present moment? Do you have to add something to feel better? So my invitation is simply to accept everything as it is right now. How does it feel? How is it feeling right now? When you drop everything, every resistances, leave them alone, and you accept the totality of this experience, even the anxiety, the emotion, the sensation, the inner negative ambience. No, that's okay. So that was a simple pointer. Thank you so much. Much love.